Hello and welcome to Solutions Review Demonstrates. Today we'll continue our series of VPN install walkthroughs with a demo of NordVPN and explain its benefits. And don't forget to watch our What is a VPN episode of Solutions Review Explores for a quick primer on this subject. Founded in 2012, NordVPN is a Panama-based VPN service provider that has more than 12 million users. It operates 5,600 servers in over 60 countries, all in an effort to make the internet better than it is today. Like its competitors, NordVPN is available in all operating systems and devices, protecting your information behind advanced military-grade encryption. There are several plans to choose from, all of which offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now let's walk through a quick installation on Windows. Begin by clicking our affiliate link below this video, which will take you to a special offer on NordVPN's website. Select your desired plan, enter your email to create an account, and then input your payment information. After your order has processed, log into your account and click Download area. Now select the operating system of your machine and download the recommended software installer. Once it's downloaded, locate the NordVPN Setup.exe file and double-click to begin setup. Then follow the various on-screen installation prompts, log into your account, and once it's loaded, click the Quick Connect icon to activate the service and begin browsing securely. Once you're connected and configured, NordVPN will protect your IP address, block ads and malicious sites with CyberSec, grant you access to 5,600 servers worldwide, maintain a strict zero-log policy, and offer 24/7 customer service assistance should you need it. Again, you can sign up today by using our affiliate link in the description below. For Solutions Review, I'm Jonathan Paula. Thanks for watching.